As you can see right on your screen, this is a Facebook landing page, and I'm going to show you how to get unlimited traffic to this landing page and collect hundreds of leads with a simple method. As you can see, the page says need more Facebook likes, try our service for free, no hidden fee. So if I click on yes, as you can see, it's going to take me to a Facebook content locker, and this content locker is supposed to give them free likes on their Facebook page. And don't worry, we are not going to be doing black hat method at all. I'm going to show you how to give these people these likes for absolutely free, and they will even tell you thank you for even giving them those likes. So now the first thing we're going to be doing, we are going to be building this landing page. So now if you go to card.co, if you don't have an account with them already, you can just go to card.co.com/sign up. Creating an account with them is very easy. So the first landing page we are going to be building is this one, which was the one I showed you. So now you want to go to new site. So if you come to new site, you want to click on landing, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click on this template. So if you click on this template, you want to go to Google and type in Facebook. So if you type in Facebook, you want to go to images, you want to grab any of these Facebook images. We are going to be using it as our background for this landing page. So let me download this one, and then we'll go back to our landing page, and then want to use this Facebook image as our background. And then you want to drag it. I'm going to be explaining the reason why you need to do this. So let me go back to this. So this is the original one we built. So I'm just going to be copying the text to make this video fast. So now we are going to be pasting this text in here. Okay, it says need more Facebook likes. Okay, like I said in one of my previous videos, you can add double asterisks in the front and at the end of the text to make it bold. So we don't need this, we're just going to delete that. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is typing this out. So you are going to type it out in your own case, of course. So for me, I'm going to just paste it since I have it already. So as you can see, it says try our service for free, no hidden fees. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to give the likes to these people for absolutely free. So the next thing now is this button, this download, we need to change it to yes, and this more info, we need to change it to no. So you click on the download and then you change it to yes. Okay, and this is where we are going to be putting our content locker. So don't worry, we'll be making our content locker shortly. So now for the more info, we'll change it to no. So we don't want to over to this more info, and then we'll scroll down until we find it, and then you change it to no. And another thing you want to do is you want to change the color. As you can see for this one here, it has a blue background. If you over on each of these buttons, you can see it has another color on it. So let me show you how to do that. So now if you click on yes, you want to go to appearance. So once you go to appearance, you want to change this outline to solid. So if you change it to solid, you want to click on this background color, and then you want to scroll down and look for blue. As you can see, it's now changed to blue. So you want to click on this over, and then you want to scroll to this color, and then you want to drag this. You just want to drag this. Okay, so now if we over on it, as you can see, it gave that color. So you can play around with any color of your choice. You can see it applied it for both. Okay, so we don't need this. We're just going to trash this. So now we are almost done. So for this text, we want to slightly make it bigger by just coming to size and make it a little bit bigger so that it will be easy to read. So now that is the first landing page we are going to be creating. So once you are done with it, you click on save. And so let's just give it a name, FB landing page. So we are just going to be copying the same thing and paste it here. And then you want to give the landing page a name. So let's say FB landing. This is just an example. Okay, it's available. So you click on publish. As you can see, site has successfully been published. So if I click on view site, as you can see, everything works in this landing page. Okay, so that is how you build a landing page like this. So the second landing page I'm going to be building is this one, this congratulations landing page. And don't worry, I know you might be wondering, why do you need to do this? Don't worry, in a short while everything will make sense. We are going to need to build a new landing page, and if you are using card.co, if you are using the free version, you can only create 3 landing pages for free. You need to upgrade to the premium plan before you can create unlimited landing pages. So the maximum you can create on the free version is 3. So if you click on new site, as you can see here, it says congratulations. So I'm going to go back to this landing, and then this time around you want to go for this template. Click on select. So you want to change this to congratulations. So now for this, you are going to change it to, let me just copy this and paste it in here. So once they've completed the locker, they will be directed to this page. So you are going to create a Gmail account dedicated to this method. So once you create that account, you are going to email the account you created with the following details. And now you are going to say 1, the Facebook URL, and 2nd, the amount of like claimed. I know this is not making sense at the moment, but stick with me. Everything is going to make sense very, very soon. So we are going to be deleting this too. We don't need it. So we are going to add Facebook background again. So you click on accept. So now this looks a little bit small, so let's enlarge it. So now for this text, we can just come to appearance to increase it. So we don't need this. We're just going to delete that. So that's all you need to do. And then once you are done, you are just going to save it. You are going to come to publish. Just the same process. This is a congratulations page. So we are just going to be pasting the same thing here. And then we are going to give the page a name. So let's say maybe congrats FB. So then you click on publish. So now if you click on view site, as you can see, this is the page you are going to redirect them to when they complete your content locker. So now if you come to our CPA Grip account, so I'm going to show you what you need to do now. So if I open this locker, as you can see, this is the Facebook locker we are going to be using, and I'm going to show you how to promote it. And as you can see, the locked URL here, this is the URL right here that we just created. This URL is what you are going to be putting in there. This first one we created is the one you are going to be promoting. And don't worry, I'm going to show you everything you need to do step by step. Just stick with me. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to click on create new and click on agree to terms of service, continue, and then here you want to paste in this here. So you want to go to templates, and then you want to choose this farm booster template. Okay, but for you are going to have to type it out. You are going to type in bot detected. Please complete any 3 offers below to claim your likes. So once you've done that, you're going to change this I'm not a bot to okay, and then you want to come to this advanced and you want to change it to 3, because as we wrote here, it says please complete any 3 offers below to claim your likes. You want to come to HTML, and then you want to change this place to 1000, and then you want to change this one to 2000. You want to change this to 3000, and you want to change this to maybe 5000. Really, you can choose any number of your choice. All right, you don't have to use this exact one. So if I click on refresh, as you can see, it changed it, and you can even change the days you deliver it. So let's say 4 days, 5 days, maybe 10 days here. So let's click on refresh again. So if I hover down on this, so you can see it says 1000 likes in 3 days. All right, so you can play around with these numbers any how you want it. So once you are done, you're going to click on save. So once you click on save, you see the FB locker here, and then you click on get links. Give it you can choose a custom URL if you want, or you can just go with any URL of your choice. So this one now, it says get FB likes. So I'm just going to copy the link, and I'm going to go back to the first page we created. So this is the first page we created. So what I'm going to do now next is I'm going to go to this yes, and then click on it, and then I'm going to add the content locker link in here. Then I'm going to paste done, and then you want to click on publish changes. So that's all you need to do. Let's view site. And for the no, you can add any link of your choice wherever you want to redirect them to, but usually I leave it blank. Let's say they click on this yes, you can see the locker. So if they add their Facebook URL, so let's say the Facebook account is Cpa Marketing, and then they choose any amount of likes that they want and they click on submit. As you can see, the whole hacking thing is going to start. So as you can see, it says bot detected. Please complete any 3 offers below to claim your likes. Okay, if they click on this claim likes, as you can see, they need to complete these offers. Okay, and if they complete these offers, you get paid. Now you may be wondering, how do you actually give them these likes? So you're going to come to Google and type in SSM panel. To get one of the best deals, you can go to smmpanel.co. So if you go to smmpanel.co, they offer one of the best deals and it's one of the cheapest in this industry. So if you're on the website, you just want to come to these services. So if you come to these services, you want to scroll down to where it shows their Facebook service. So as you can see, the Facebook service starts from here, and you can see how much they're going to charge per 1,000 likes. And the visitor is not just going to be getting the Facebook page likes, they are also going to be getting followers as well. As you can see, they are going to charge 74 cents. Okay, so if the person completes your offer, so let me pull up my calculator real quick. So let's say on average your locker converts on $1.50 times 3. As you can see, that is $4.50. And let's remove 74 from it. As you can see, you still have $3.76. So let's say you get about 10 people a day, and this is the bare minimum. So that is around $40 a day that you are going to be making from this simple method. And if most of your visitors are from the first world countries, then you can expect to get around $1.59 per conversions. So if they complete 3 lockers, that is $7.77. Let's minus 47 cents from that. As you can see, you'll still be making $7 per visitor. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this landing page. So what you are going to be doing now is you are going to be going to Facebook, and I'm going to show you how to find this type of group that need this and how to promote this to them. So now, as you can see, so this is one of the Facebook groups that I joined. As you can see, it says promote your Facebook page. As you can see here, this is a post from the page, and it was posted 2 minutes ago while I'm making this video. As you can see, the group is super active. It says they need 500 follow back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you are going to promote to these people. And don't worry, we are not going to be spamming our links. We are not going to be doing any of that, because that is going to get you blocked and all that. We are not going to be even making any post. So what you're going to do is just come to this comment and leave a comment. So basically, this is a simple script that I came up with that you can use. You can modify it if you like. As you can see, it says send a DM and I will show you how you can get 1,000 likes for absolutely free, no hidden charges at all. It is a new business that is currently testing their services before they go live. So you can just leave a simple comment like this, and note, this is not the only person that is going to be seeing this comment. Other people that come to this comment, they are going to be seeing it, and the admin is not going to block you for this, because you are not obviously promoting any link or spamming anybody. And you don't want to overdo this as well. You just want to do it maybe 10 times per day on any group that you're in. Okay, so to find this type of groups, you just want to go to the search bar. You can see here, you can type in promote Facebook page. So as you can see here, you can type in Facebook gaming small streamers, and then you want to click on groups. Okay, so you can join all this type of group. A lot of these people will be from the first world countries, because they are the one who do gaming the most. Okay, so this is how you get easy and cheap conversions for absolutely free. So once you join this group, you are not going to be spamming your link or anything. A lot of people will start DMing you, and once they DM you, you are just basically going to send them to this landing page. Once they start DMing you, you are just going to send them this message: I got it from the website below. You may be asked to verify. You need to let them know that, okay, so that they won't be surprised when they see it. So once you let them know they need to verify, then you also need to let them know it's not going to take their time at all, since most of the offers are going to be email submit only. As you can see, it says, don't worry, it takes less than 60 seconds. Enjoy your free likes, and then you send them to the landing page, which is this one that we made here. And once they click on this landing page, if they click on yes, which they will do most likely since they contacted you, so if they put in their URL and they click on any of this, offer is going to pop up, and if they complete the offers, they are going to be redirected to this congratulations page. And once they send you an email, okay, so you definitely know that person must have completed the offer. So once you get those details, then you are going to go to this SMM panel website and you are going to order the likes and send it to them. So it's literally that simple. And the good thing about this method is if the person decides not to complete all the offers, maybe the person completes only 2 or 1 offer, you are still going to get credited on CPA Crypto or any CPA network that you are working with. You are still going to get credited for those offers if they don't complete the 3 offers. Okay, so you are still going to get paid. Only when the person completes 3 offers that the person will be able to get to this page, and once they get to this page, they email you, and then you come to this website and get them their likes. It's that simple. And now you may be having questions like, as you can see here, this is for if the person goes for 1,000 likes. So if the person, for instance, let's say they went for 5,000 likes, what are you going to do in such situations? So what you can do is you have 2 options basically. You can make a separate content locker again, and you can ask the person to complete that content locker so that you can get more money to buy the 5,000 likes for them. Or secondly, the second option you have is you can tell them that the 5,000 like option is currently filled up and is unavailable, but you can send them 1,000 likes. I hope you understand, which means you are not going to lose in any way. So if they went ahead to complete for 5,000 likes and you cannot afford to buy it, you can just tell them that you are sorry, but they can get 1,000 likes, and then you send them the 1,000 likes. They didn't lose anything at all since they didn't pay for anything, so nobody is in any form of loss. So that will be all for this video, and if you find any value, of course, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any question at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.